haƙuri mu ɗan shiga da kai ka ga mutanen nan ka ba su haƙuri ka lallashe su. Da ya tashi sai ya ce there's no light. I'm not going to spend more than 10 minutes. I am flying back to Lagos. Zai je East Lagos. Ba wuta. Ku kalli magana shi ne fa yake cewa yanzu ba wuta. Wato shi ya san rashin wuta bala'i ne gare shi amma ba bala'i bane ga 'yan Najeriya. Ba zan wuce minti 10 ba zan koma Lagos. Kuma haka aka yi. Amma bari ku ji wani abu inda za ku fahimci mutanen nan. Muna gaya muku gaskiya. Idan sun ba ku jama'a, ku karɓa ku cinye, amma ku liƙa su da ƙasa ranar zaɓe. Sai ya ce, Lalon ya yi mashi alkawari, Lalon sanata ne, Lalon lokacin da ya yi gwamna mutumin kirki ne, ya yi aikin alkhairi a plateau, ya kyautata gwargwadon hali, sai ce Lalon ya yi mashi alkawari yana tare da shi. Yanzu akwai wani suna da yake jira sai kuma ya buge da campaign. Fitaccen suna a jihar Plateau wanda ke mutumin kirki ana ce mai Jona Jang. Ina son kai ma ka zo ka yi min alkawari. A kashe mana mutanen. Ka zo ka ce kuma baya an ce ka je wurin su ka ce minti 10 za ka yi ba ka da lokaci. Sannan ka ce wai in mata alkawari cewa zan ma kamfen don a zaɓe ka to a kan ne. Malam drama aka yi abinda aka kira a airport. Yanzu misali gwamnoninmu na arewa wai sun dunkule sun ce suna tare da shi. Ok, to ya yi daidai, to kuna tare da shi a kan ne. A kan ne. Shin wai ita harkar siyasa ba give and take ba ne? Scratch my back, I scratch your back. Ka bani in baka. Right, kana son kujeran nan, kuma ga abin da muke ciki a arewacin Najeriya, ga kashe-kashe, ga rashin zaman lafiya, ga kaza, kana so ta wuce, to wace yarjejeniya za mu yi a kanta mu baka goyon baya? A'a, kawai haka nan free of charge sun kwashe mu sun sai da mu zuwa gare shi. To mu bayin Allah ne, babu wanda yake da ikon tasarrufi cikin al'amuran mu sai Allah. Kuma muna gaya musu, ko tambayi Excellency Umar Abdullahi Ganduje, tsohon gwamnan me? Ku tambaye shi me ya faru kwanan nan a Vila. Duk abin da kuke a idan mutane kuke yi. Ku tambaye shi, ni ina mana nasiha, kun ga Umar Abdullahi Ganduje kwanan nan shugaban kasa ya gaice da shi da tsohon gwamnan Jigawa da aka gama tattauna. Ganduje a fusace fito yana tsaci.
For the benefit of ndị nara anụ Hausa, for the benefit of ndị nara anụ Hausa, we are privileged to hear Hausa, to understand it. Anyị na-anụ anụ, anyị na-aghọta aghọta, because there are different between ịnụ anụ na ịghọta aghọta. Ndị ọcha ji wee sị gị na knowledge speaks while wisdom is listening. Ịghọtago, anyị na-anụ Hausa, anyị na-aghọta Hausa, and anyị na-asụ Hausa. Ịghọtago, this malaman nwa kịta bụ na ndị ụda nọrọ ihe okwu ka m kọwalị ụnụ ọfụma. Ọ sị that na n'ihe bụ Tinubu bịa mee na Jos wutere ya. Kedu nke bụ na a president batara obodo, why ọ bara n'ime town jeje konsolu ndị ihe mee, jeje konsolu ndị ihe wute, o mepe ọnụ o ji eliji dede si na ọma nnọkarị more than 10 minutes no kwadero. So that he knows that the fundamental right of every Nigerian knows na how that na the very very essential to our living. No the very 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 essential to our day-to-day activities. Mana he deny ya okwa. Him no ye fully well no man no 10 minutes without oko. Or you know member in the city. If your president cannot visit Ebiheme, then what is the life of a common man? Here this young man, or does total summary. Or where's it also that na politics will give and take. That in a kidding cable in a hemele in a choka have vote to again. That in his own understanding, no believe in a take politics is give and take. No nye. Or he goes ahead to tell their people, say, Hana, unu ne vote kwande anya sound, man onye ge go get to elia, nali ye go lie, mana to elo onye cho. Mgbe ne ekwesị na, I wish na ndị bayi ya na ekwu ụdị okwu a. I wish na ndị bayi ya dị bold enough na ekwu ụdị okwu a. Imago, ndị bịa kwuche no kuchana. Mother no na comment section say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kulia. Did you guys listen to him and born ekuya? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kuchalia did the war die down. You should thank your God and you should also celebrate because people are beginning to speak out. It cannot just end at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kulia. Go kulia. Did you people listen? That is why we are here again to still remind you people, to still remind you. So now start uloku. Hini na nyegi yoku bu a good summary of the things in the manoko. And the thing will tell you okuloku about insecurity na and not. Omanahano long and he also blamed their people. He blamed their people for selling them out to Ndiloha. Thank God that some of them maybe dogo motabe yaketa. But that will not me to lower down my stand. This election. I want to make a very good expectation at this election. I have been saying it severally. I want good expectation because Emily also call you Zoku today, Zoku tomorrow. Once one happen another ballot box, they will vote for their brother. Can you show him man hen new Kobasi? Kerebe Hanom Buhari na Chiai. This people get insecurity and this thing. Kedebe Hanom Buhari na Chiai. Okay, what are they? It's a tactical game plan for them. The North is all about a divide to rule. Not on our church. Today, you will not hear anything from their people. You couldn't talk as a haka and layaso. No, naka chukucholia. You could talk Mbulon Neke, here will now church Buhari, you will not see Buhari. Has never been heard in the history of Nigeria. Manopoto say actually. Oh, you know, actually. Oh, here now. Now, Ibaba Josie Onwege, Nigeria na Bakatakata today. Kedebe Vice President Tayeno. Kedebe Munyeno. Kedebe Munye President Yayeno. Aren't they talking? Munye Guru Jonathan Neku Kumbankia. Munye Jonathan Kia Bomecho organize on Bogota, Bola plane, Bogota, Abuja. She will come and solicit Malokwa na she as a mother, she feel their pain, mananka, nothing, but you come Ubihancha work with them. So when you go now, Kuliha, I'm in support of you, but I don't trust them. I'm in support of Yahaku, I like me Hoku, but I don't support them, I don't trust them. That is the truth. Obuni no go in my shoe, you understand better. Ndugu mwe sugarcoating we hamaki isi asamadisi. Man at the end of the day, kedebe hakwose okeke jelame kedebe buti yade. That is all I have to say. Kode kwa nomboza.